fifth subsection. Limit x tends to 1 of x minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 by x square x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So இந்த இடத்துல 1 substitute பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 1 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 1. So this term will become minus 1 by 0. Denominator 0 இருக்கு, not defined. இது என்ன ஆகும்? 1 divided by x cube. 1 cube minus 3 times 1 square plus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Enardu 1 by 0, not defined. So you're getting 1 by 0 and 1 by 0, which means you have to do something else. So what do we do? So I'm going to take the whole fraction without the limit. So enna agum? It will be x minus 2 divided by, I'm going to split. X veliyila eduthita, it will be x minus 1. In the இடத்துல I'm going to split again. So when you take x outside, what do you have? X square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2 எப்படி split பண்ணலாம்? With splitting the middle term, should get 2 minus 3 வரணும். So minus 2 into minus 1. So what do you get? X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. X common எடுத்தா x minus 2. You need x minus 2 here. So you have minus 1. So you get x minus 2 into x minus 1. So that will become the denominator. So in that line I go x minus 2 divided by x into x minus 1 minus 1 divided by x times x minus 2 into x minus 1. Right? So what do you do further? Don't forget the equal to symbol. So in that LCM எடுக்கலாமா நம்ம? So LCM எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? இங்க x into x minus 1 இருக்கு, இங்க x into x minus 1 இருக்கு. What is missing? X minus 2 here is missing. So we are taking the LCM and this is the common denominator. So I'm going to multiply x minus 2 to the first term. So x minus 2 into x minus 2 minus in the 1 மறந்துடாதீங்க, divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So this is your term now. So what do you get? We get x square plus 4 minus 2x minus 2x. X square minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 minus 1. The minus 1 மறந்துடாதீங்க, divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So what do you get? X square minus 4x plus 3. Plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3. So what do you get? X square minus 4x plus 3 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So in the இடத்துல I'm going to split the numerator. என்னடா இப்பதான் split பண்ணோம், மறுபடியும் சேர்த்தோம், மறுபடியும் multiply பண்ணோம், again and again we're doing the same thing. That is not the thing here. Here we have a minus 1. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? மொத்த quadratic equation மாறும். So you get a different equation in the numerator. What do you get now? X square minus 4x plus 3. So you get x square minus 4x plus 3. So you need 3 to be the product, minus 4 வரணும். So என்ன இருக்கும்? Minus 3 minus 1. So you do x square minus x minus 3x plus 3. X வெளியில எடுத்தா x minus 1. இங்கேயும் x minus 1. You take 3 outside. So what do you get? X minus 1, x minus 3. So what does your numerator become? X minus 1, x minus 3 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So what was causing the 0? X minus 1 and x minus 1 was causing the 0. So what does your limit become now? Limit x tends to 1 of x minus 3 divided by x into x minus 2. So I'm going to substitute. என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 1 minus 3 divided by 1 times 1 minus 2. So minus 2 divided by minus 1 and you get 2. That's the answer.